On Xiaomi 17, if you want to eject SIM tray, then we need to look at the bottom of the phone because the SIM tray is located over here, right next to the USB-C port. We have this SIM tray hole over here, and you will need to use an eject tool that you can find, for example, inside the box over here. So what you're gonna do is you need to put the eject tool into this hole over here, just like that, and then once it is in, you want to push it into the phone to make the SIM tray pop out. It's going to pop out just a little bit, so you will need to use your fingernails or fingers in order to remove it completely from the phone. And there we go. Now over here we should be able to find our SIM card slot. It looks like this. Over here we have SIM 1. On the reverse side there is also SIM 2, in my case at least. So now we can insert our SIM card quite easily. We just have to match the shape. So we're gonna put it in just like that, and make sure that the SIM is fully inserted. It should not stick out or anything like that. If it does, then of course you want to fix it, because you will not be able to put the SIM tray back into the hole. In my case, I inserted both SIM cards that I had, and now we just have to put it back into the phone. So let's do this. We're gonna put it back in and just slide all the way in with your finger. If it doesn't want to go in, you want to make sure that SIM cards are inserted properly. Just put it straight back in and make sure it doesn't stick out from the phone. If it does, fix SIM cards and try again. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.